let's start the chapter. In this chapter, we will be just take in a way a step uh, uh, earlier, probably, to talk about the importance of computers. So, whether in the accounting or other applications, we're just going to refresh the whole idea. Why do we need a computer in general? So here's the objective is basically we will talk about introduction of the computer, use of the computer application, the importance of computer application in a business, benefit of using computer application, popular computer application these days in a business. So the objective, the accounting, file management, the general journal, the payables, the receivable, inventories, sales tax calculation, payroll, banking, all they can be part of the accounting application that can be computerized, basically. Computers have revolutionized the way business operate in the respective industries. Technology has advanced so extraordinarily that those who are not using today computers are behind. Businesses, without an application can be a disadvantaged situation. In particular, a computer speed up the workflow of a business and reduce the cost from every single stage of conducting. This is why companies are see it's important to implement computerized system. A job task in a business. Every kind of business require a distinguished computer applications these days. So they are all over. This is why is computer used so much. The knowledge is so fast and so wide and deep. In general, computer can help different businesses, entities in different ways. They can utilize the application of a different software for the different needs. They can help business managers or business file files, document, schedules, deadline, workflow, and every section of this department. We will talk about these. Computer can help businesses with organizing all of their in a very accessible manner, which is that's important. A typical business usually deal with a large amount of data these days. Employees, product, order, services, pricing, salary, database, and so on. Salaries database, and so on. These are all needs a data and database for it. The earlier stage of computer, one of the earlier is they used it for accounting also, like a billing, invoicing, salary sheet making, income expenses, and income expenses calculation. They also use it for document creation, like instead of single paper or a book or anything that require typing, they do that. There is used for R&D, research, on marketing, digital, building the key KPI. We do a KPI evaluation, key performance indicators. Also designing and prototyping. We do proposal creation, workflow distribution, and workflow business, plus business plan marketing, making. Application can be used, as a collaboration, communication, can lead to efficient time and productivity and serving the customers. It can be storage, all the data, every possible form, and access to the data, no matter what the executive are living. And can help in scheduling, as you know, booking, and ticketing. Well, we use it in the education and the skills development also. So in this modern area, no business can run smoothly without a computer and internet connections. Name it, from restaurant to a bank, from a simple farm to a plumber, from a lawyer to a tax service provider. Every single business of this world needs to use computer application to have a better return on investment or ROI on their business, assuming they select the right application tool. So one of the things that computer usually help business is the self-sufficiencies. With application of computer, business entities have made staff and companies more self-sufficient. They don't need extra resource to develop. It is becomes the computer allow them to perform tasks that previously had to be outsourced. For example, a company can now use the office software to prepare material for training for their employees doing the PowerPoints, testing exams, you know. You have this desktop publishing software can help companies to create marketing materials. You can do online tax and accounting program allow companies to prepare their own tax instead of having a third party prepare income tax. As a result, companies can perform lots of operation as a self-sufficiencies. Now, also, don't forget is a cost effective. So with the emerging technology, open up to new tools and services becomes more cost effective and efficient. The services are becoming more affordable, which allows companies to save on their staff, payroll, and offices. So you can outsource these services. Because with the application of computers, people can perform more work faster and more efficient in from another side. So we don't need so many employees to do that. It's possible for a company to hire fewer staff and save expenses in the end. In addition, with the networked and relatively inexpensive computer, company can store data more easily. You know how much cost of the data now, USB, saving on the cost of outside files. If you compare my first laptop to the today's storage laptops. Now, it's also contribute to the speed. Computer help to accelerate other business operation. The speed can be introduced to receiving consumers' feedback, ordering of raw materials, we looked at it, and inspection of product. As a result, speed is made quicker through the use of the computers. As a result, company can operate much, much faster and to produce a better quality results. They're also cheap, causing cheaper research and development. The R&D or a research and development, we all do research and development, or at least research. Now, the R&D cost will also increase significantly when the applications on the computer. So you go on the internet, you do the research probably. Computer software application, or you can publish some research. Computer software application can help the researchers develop and produce new products and services. Yeah, as an example, and instead of company having to conduct in-person focus group on a potential new products or determine what their target market is, now we see that the company can conduct a widespread online surveys for far lower cost. One of the thing is actually the sales. It's increase the sales. Computers allow people buy 24 hours, 7 days a week, make orders. So the computer can help in generating higher sales and profit for business using the companies, like for example, the website. Many business now took to online media and operate around 24 around the clock. This gives the customer an opportunity from around the world to shop for their product and services. This is some of the application, probably you know them, some of them you don't know. We will go through them and try to understand some that's not in their list too. Thank you.